Dudes, found this 400 EX on Marketplace today for $1,200 as is. Supposed to run with some carb work and a new battery. Let's test that theory, shall we? We have no Neutralite, so the battery must be indeed dead. Pull this off of here, throw it in the garbage. I'm not gonna need that. And sissies run back fenders and seats. You're supposed to be standing the whole time. Sweet full Yoshi system on it. And an old piece of rubber from a tire or something holding in this battery box all safe. Hopefully I can get a jumper on that pretty easy. Do not discard. Guys, easily, even to serve it every 100,000 miles, you should be straight. Jeez. Even if you're gonna get rid of your airbox lid, you don't have to literally throw it out the window. You know, maybe the new owner will want it. Just hold on to that. Just read the top part. Do not discard. You don't have to worry about that 100,000 miles thing. None of y'all are ever going to get there. That's always a good sign, the new filter. So, we got Neutralite. This old weak-ass jumper's brand. Supposed to be full. Been plugged in all weekend. That ain't near enough to crank it. So, we'll charge this and try again. Maybe I get a little better bite on it. Nope. We'll have to charge it because this jumper is brand new and a piece of shit. Yeah, I got there and seen this beautiful flywheel gasket. Did you see the nice gas? This got a new flywheel gasket.
Oh yeah, clean. That's the best color.
All pookie. Yeah, they use the brightest peacocking with the you know, the peacocking. These guys right here come off dog and then make it. Yeah, you only have to take the front off. It's just the.
Oh, it's nice of them.
Yeah, just to say it.
Then they make the TRX, the 450.
Yeah, this quad ain't bad, dude. It's in pretty good shape. He had a few more too. He wasn't ready to let go of, but hopefully he will be soon. An ultrasonic. Look at that, guys. Totally solidified. That's what happens right there. I've seen worse. Yeah. We'll get her clean. This carb was about the nastiest we've seen in a while. Yeah. I mean, so it's in the ultrasonic.
You're trying to run off the tree sap. And
exclusively. You got the new plastic on the CRF. Damn. Yeah. Completely clogged. We're going to try and clear that out a little bit. We'll pull that off and then we'll throw it in the ultrasonic with the... Let me see. Oh, my goodness. Dude. Oh, and some RVT?
Kinds of.
Is there orange on it too?
All kinds of goodies.
My God. The carb's been in there for what, hour and a half?
Yeah. 3
full 30-minute cycles at least. Yeah. Which it probably is clean, but we're just not ready for the carb yet, so we're going to let it keep going.
Might as well.
Yeah, might as well. Bottle type of deal.
It looks like
Can you just fill it? So we put some gasoline in this mug. We're going to hook it onto this. Then we're going to put it in that. Do you think you got enough in there?
How much do you think?
Oh, no, you can try and spray a little out. Oh, yeah. Now we're going to clean the inside of this bad boy with compressed gasoline. That ought to loosen up all that caca. Pretty dope. Not super high pressure, but it should get like all that weak ass green stuff off the out of there. And just try the compressor itself. That should have loosened a lot of it up, right? I think we made some strides here. Tank cleaned out, petcock clean, carb clean, new fuel line and filter. We're gonna throw a battery in it and some fresh fuel and see if she's gonna run. That carb was nasty, nasty. The accelerator pump looked like it had dirt all packed in it, but it was just dried up old crusty fuel. It's a pretty slick quad otherwise. This was pissing me off right there. Right there. All right, it has fuel, chokes on. Maybe the battery, this is a little floppy. You think this got it?
Yeah, choke.
Yeah, I got her choked on. She gonna need it though, dog. I mean, you can try and turn it off. I ain't even got the tits with that battery. We can grab that jumper and try it. So we're having a kill switch issue up there. We're disconnecting it. It's just a little floppy. You know what I'm saying? So, poor old Honda. It's gonna be all right. Suck it up. Suck that smoke back up. Don't let it all out.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what we get, dudes. I'm gonna turn the idle up a hair, Doug. Big flat head. We're doing the slick ties, right? That's what they're called.
Yeah.
Slick ties. Nice. Oh my goodness. That other guy was way better at painting body than this. He's like, learn this and painting body. Oops. Drilled those first 4 holes on accident. It's like, that's okay though.
Make it work.
Nice, that's gonna work. Else like nobody ever knew. Oh, Ryan was all jealous, so he broke my cap off.
Yeah.
Like, fuck this guy. He's just gonna let the zip tie ends melt and drip. Seal up the exhaust. Still feel like that switch is doing something for some reason.
Almost like timing or something.
I wonder if this is full of water. The flywheel.
They sealed it in there. When you were like full throttle, did it seem any better or was it still
It would be, but then it would still
cut out?
like I can't even trust it because like it'll go wow and then like right there that was me holding it at one spot. Just dude, like what is going on? You think that these could be shorted out, causing it? Oh, we did. How about I start it and you unplug that whole thing like we did earlier?
Okay.
What do you think? Go torque them down.
It was shooting out. Yeah.
It was shooting out. Get a video.
I saw exhaust shooting out, dude.
Oh, now the starter don't work no more. Oh, it's undone. Leave it, dude.
Piece of shit.
Shot smooth out of it. Did you see that?
Off cloud.
Right out of it. I guess I'm ordering a head gasket kit for this pile.
Damn.
Might as well get a piston. I mean, what are the chances that one doesn't look roasted when we get in there? So if I gotta do that, I gotta take it apart to mic it first. So this thing's just gonna get out. You're out of here, mister. Stuck brakes, but the brakes don't work. But stuck brakes.
Yeah.
Like try to stop it with the foot brake. No, but the brakes are stuck. No, that's all the brakes right there. That's fully braked. So I bought this Honda. Just needs the carb cleaned. It did need the carb cleaned. That was possibly the dirtiest carb I've seen in a while. 2 hours in the ultrasonic. Do you assume it's Chinese stator?
Yeah.
Them wires are way too fresh. And look here. Oh, they was in there fixing it is what they was doing. And they got in there. They fit. Oh, look, they was fixing it. And then the stator wires are like popping. Look, come on. Them don't match the quad. Them ain't from...
Yeah, you can tell.
Them old Wuhan wires.
Not that shit.
So basically, then we get it running, the head gasket's blown. Y'all probably, some of y'all say, oh, Jared blew the head gasket.
Yeah.
Like starting fluid, just have a can of starting fluid in the back. No, we did not. Could have done it cranking it with the plug was nasty. It's got some sort of an electrical issue as well. You think that it would run like that just because of the head gasket? It's got to have an electrical issue too.
It probably
right?
does also.
Both.
Yeah.
Sweet. So I didn't get a bad deal on it, and I could have tested while I was there and seen it blow white smoke and been like, whoa, hey, whoa, doggy.
Yeah. Whoa.
This thing's all blown up and what have you. But it was a really good deal, so I bought it, and it did need the carb cleaned. So we got that done, and now I guess take it apart to find out what even is in it so I can order a piston and a head gasket for it. And then F me, right? So, killer. Yeah, way she goes, boys. That's the way she goes. Sometimes she goes, other times the head gasket goes on the side. All right, so update on the 400 EX. This is going to be the end of part 1. I'm going to get it on this table. My gaskets will be here tomorrow, so I'm going to tear it down. Find out if it's going to need a new piston as well, or if it's just going to need a head gasket and flywheel gasket, but I'm going to get up in there and find out, dudes. Appreciate you for watching. Happy Thanksgiving. Hope you all had a happy Thanksgiving with your families, and lots more videos coming. So I went ahead and ordered a 440 big bore kit for this. We're going to rebuild the motor, get up in there all of December. 2 videos a week, all of Tuesday and Thursdays for December. So every Tuesday and Thursday, we got your video coming up for all of December. I appreciate you guys for 30,000 subscribers. I'm going to try and get you 10 videos this month. That's going to be one of them.